How to get Canva Pro for free legally. And I'm not talking about the free 30 days that Canva normally gives upon sign up. For me, that's not what I'm making a video about. So in this video, I'm going to be letting you see a simple, legit way of getting Canva Pro for free that you can use for as long as you want. But before we dive in, I sincerely want to apologize, and I do apologize for keeping this vital info from you all those while. I thought everyone already knows. Apology accepted. Let me know in the comment. Now let's dive in. How to get Canva Pro for free legally. Now, all that it requires for you to get Canva Pro for free that you can use for as long as you want is to have an email that ends with .edu or that contains .edu in it, okay? Maybe from your university, or if you're in secondary school and your secondary school has a website and students can have email, then you can use that email to get Canva Pro for free. If you are in the university and your university has an email for their students and you have one, of course that email definitely will be a .edu, right? So with that, you can own a Canva Pro for free for as long as you want. As a matter of fact, my first Canva Pro that I use, I've been using it for 3 years now. I got it since the last 3 years, but guess what? I'm using my university email. Guess when I graduated? 2010. But the moment I got this information, just as you are getting it now, I had to call someone in my university and I got my university email. All the time I was in the university, I never knew I had an email. So you might want to find out from your university if you have an email, okay? So you can use that. Now, in a situation where your school doesn't have that provision for their students, okay, you can find out from your friend or your family member. Ask them if they have an email that ends with .edu. With that, you can sign up for Canva Pro for free. Okay, now apart from school, if you are working in some government establishment and you have an email, with that email you can as well get Canva Pro for free. So if you have someone you know, maybe your father, your mother, or anybody around you, or your sibling that is working with the government and they have an email, okay, not Gmail, I get in, okay, an email that ends with maybe .gov or .edu. I'm so sure about .edu, I'm not so sure about .gov, okay, but I think they will also work, okay, but the one very certain is .edu. So you can ask them. If they give you, you can use that to create Canva Pro for free, and you can use it for as long as you want, okay. Now let me quickly show you around my Canva Pro, okay. So this is my Canva Pro. Now if you check here, you see say give your student premium Canva for free. So I can even give some student of mine, in other words, I can create a team here and give people free access to use this Canva with me, but these have to be people that I trust, right? Now if I get to this other Canva, let me open this other place. Now can you see they say try free for 30 days. So this one is not pro. I already signed in here with another account, okay? So this is not pro, okay? I have to pay for some things. Are you getting it? Now let me open here. Can you see this is logo? If you want to create logo now, this one now I have to pay to use this logo template, okay? Likewise this, likewise this. But if I go over to here and open here, the same logos, I don't have to pay. Can you see? I don't have to pay. They are saying Edu here, right? So I can freely use these logos without paying, okay? So this is what I want to arm you with by what I'm going to show you now, so that you can as well have Canva Pro to do whatever you want to do, whether it is YouTube thumbnail creation, flyer design, logo design, book cover design, anything at all. This is what I'm going to arm you with what I'm about to show you, okay? So once you have access to an email that has .edu in it, the next thing you will do is to sign into that email, because they will be sending you a code, right? So once you have signed in, then let's open another browser here, maybe incognito now. Head over to Canva. canva.com. Okay, let's get to canva.com. So once you are here on canva.com, take your mouse it over here where you see education. Okay, don't go to sign up and don't go to sign in, just come to education, put your mouse here, and then head over to teachers and students, click on it, and then come down here. Let me scroll down so you see it better, where you see teachers. Okay, click on it, get verified. Now it opens like this. Then here you click on continue with email. Okay, and let's suppose you have an email, maybe let me paste this one, okay, that has .edu in it, and then wait, then your name will come out because they will pick the name from the email you enter, right? Then continue. You can change the name if you don't want it, right? You can change this name if you don't want it. Maybe you can put maybe Rose or something. Anything you want, just put it there, but let me just leave it at what it was before. Okay, so continue. Then they will send you a code, and this code, you see the time, the seconds, just 30 seconds. That's why I said sign into that email to be sure you have logged in, so that once they send you the code, you pick the code before this time elapses. Okay, and then input the code here and continue, and you have a Canva Pro account to use for as long as you want. Try it, let me know if it works, then come to the comments and tell us your experience. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified once I upload another helpful video like this one. See you in the next video.